Hey guys, coming at you from the shop. Got a new product we're really excited to tell you about. What we're doing is we're taking this F450 unit bearing and we're adapting it to the Crane Magnum knuckle. The Crane Magnum knuckle was developed around a 2.5 ton U-joint or the big belt RCV axle shaft. So in this big belt RCV axle shaft, you can run a 2-inch 47 spline shaft. If you're building a Dana 80, you can run a 40 spline shaft. If you're building a 14 bolt or anything else you want to build, 40 spline. This side, you've got this big core spline that matches straight up to the F450 unit bearing. No other adapters needed, no dry puck or anything else. It just slides and keys right in. So it's pretty awesome. The unit bearings we're using are Timken unit bearings. We're remachining them 8 on 6.5 with a 9/16 stud. Also, we're putting in a little block-off plate for the ABS sensor. You just pull that factory ABS sensor out, use the factory bolt, slide this in, and it's good to go. All of our unit bearings that we are selling are machined that way, 8 on 6.5 with a 9/16 stud. To get the two together, we've got the steel adapter. Machining it right here in the house. Comes with all the hardware you're going to need. Takes 7/16 bolts to go around the spindle face, and then we've got the 4 unit bearing bolts that are metric. As you can see, we've already got a brake kit developed for it. Takes a lightweight hat, lightweight rotor, a 4-piston wheelwood caliper. You can also do a 6-piston wheelwood caliper. We've got the simple brake mount. It goes and welds right on. You can position it anywhere and weld it right onto the adapter. Cool thing about using this is once you get the unit bearing bolted up to your adapter, you will use the spindle bolts to pull everything apart because this big RCV bell is really tight on the axle shaft. So pulling any kind of maintenance that you got to pull the shaft in and out of the housing, you don't have to pull that boot off anymore. And that's huge because this big one is super hard to get on and off. So just as far as a maintenance standpoint goes, that's really handy. Cap that off, we've got this little drive puck. It goes right in, and it's just going to cover up the end of your unit bearing whenever you're all said and done. Gives it a nice clean finish look. So what we've done is we've took and put together a complete package, put unit bearing to the Magnum knuckle, and then we also have packages for roller axles with brakes, and we also have turnkey axles on the website, or we have all these pieces individual. So to check out all these new products, head over to craneaxle.com.